The impact of the massive spending bill that President Donald Trump signed into law on Independence Day is expected to filter down to infants and toddlers, a segment of the population that is particularly vulnerable to cuts to the federal social safety net. Many middle-class and wealthy families will see benefits from the new legislation, but programs that help low-income families keep babies healthy have been cut back. While state money funds public schools and preschool in some cases, programs supporting the youngest children are largely backed by the federal government. The law extends tax cuts that Trump passed during his first term in office and pours billions more into border security as the president seeks to broaden his crackdown on immigration. To pay for these initiatives, the law cuts Medicaid and food stamps, programs relied upon by poor households with children. By more than $1 trillion, the legislation Republicans call Trump's Big Beautiful Bill is set to deliver some gains for families with children. It increases tax credits, including one that now allows parents to deduct up to $2,200 per child from their tax bills. And it introduces investment accounts for newborns dubbed Trump accounts, each seeded with $1,000 from the government. Still, advocates say they do not make up for what children are likely to lose under the new law. And they fear what comes next as the next Trump budget proposes more cuts to programs that help parents and babies. The Medicaid cuts are expected to put a financial strain on healthcare providers, forcing them to cut their least profitable services. That's often pediatrics, where young patients are more likely to use Medicaid, said Lisa Costello, a West Virginia pediatrician who chairs the Federal Policy Committee for the American Association of Pediatrics. Advocates worry that if an adult loses Medicaid coverage, it could ratchet up household stress and make it more difficult for parents to make ends meet, both of which can negatively impact youngsters. And parents who lose their health insurance are less likely to take their children to the doctor. The law kicks some immigrants, including those with legal status, off food assistance. It makes it more difficult for individuals to qualify by changing how it considers their utility bills. The law launches a program that creates investment accounts for newborn children. The Trump accounts are to be seeded with $1,000 from the government, and children will be able to use the money when they become adults to start a new business, put the money toward a house, or go to school.